What's up, Chooch? What's up, Damon? F65, what's up? Not on the funded TBZ, but I'll be here. If something forms A+, like we can take it on the eval, but I'm not going to push the button on the funded. I don't want to promote anyone to take a trade. That's the main thing. What's up, Batman? What's up, Zicky? At least we can have chat open up today. You think I should trade day before non-farm payroll? If you're really comfortable accepting the risk that it's a day where you probably might get stopped out just because the sloppy delivery, then yeah, it's okay. But I wouldn't. Current bias is bearish, correct? It's not so clear for me. I think we're gonna range. I think my bias is range. Just think it's gonna range. I don't know if it's gonna be expansive. I don't know if it's gonna be expansive. This is the daily chart, yeah. We always start on the daily chart. If the setup occurs, I'll take it, but very strict. You can always just de-risk. I'll see if my entry forms for sure. Trading today or not be looking so far. I won't trade on the funded, but if we see like something truly A+, we can push the button on the eval. Not too worried about the eval, but probably, I mean, we'll see. We'll see. You never know. It won't be on the funded, though. I don't want to touch my funded. We should have passed this 100K already. I was risking like it was a 50K, so we didn't pass. But we should have double this. L Money Management. What's up, Mario? What's up, Charisma? Let's go, Jarfa. I didn't trust the shorts in some Drake count, just pushed through my deal out. In that back test? Wait, it went lower? Or it just like reverse? Reverse and took out the highs. Oh, you sent me? Let me see. Yeah, bro, see? It's a good short. When it reverses that sharp, Koala, like that inversion is just really good. And then macro W, I mean that's hard to you don't get in on that macro retracement. Yeah. That's tough. Good morning, Cameo. Chris West, what's up, brother? What's up, Alex? What kind of strategy you're using? Using my strategy. 930 power of 3, daily power of 3. So 4 out of 5 macros are good. Micros or minis? I don't know what a macro is. I'm assuming you mean micros. Yeah, 4 or 5 can be good. Power of 3, yes, sir. Cool neighbor, what's up, brother? Shit day so far. I mean, yeah, I mean, we accumulated in Asia. And the only reason I'm even considering this is because there's a small chance we put in a low of day right here inside this gray pool with the 15-minute bullish. So I just wanted to see No trade day for the funded, no. I'll execute on eval or paper, but not on the funded. Exactly, Koala. Dead ass, bro. Koala, I'm telling you, bro, like, it's only because like it's a eval or a funded. But if you were like a live account, bro, if you were a live account and you woke up and you saw London expand like this much, you're like, alright, fuck it, I'm going back to sleep, bro. You know? How much you risk to pass at 50K? I think I'm gonna start risking $500 per trade just to speed it up, pass in 1 or 2 weeks. But yo, I'm gonna put you guys on something, bro. I'm gonna put all you guys on to make it so much easier to pass and slash make more money. I'm gonna put you guys on, bro. I think I'm gonna start implementing this. This is NASDAQ on the 15-minute chart. Yes. Bro, I'm gonna put you guys on. I actually think I'm not even trying to like what's it called? What's the word? Like, I don't know what the word is, but I'm not even trying to like cap. Like I actually think I can put you guys on. Can you tell me how you know exactly how much you're risking? You have to calculate it, brother. So yeah, you just have to calculate it. So let's say I want to take a trade like this. My stop loss, let's say I want to put at this low, aim for this high. See how it says right here? 32.75. That's how many points stop loss my stop loss is. So if I want to risk $200, I'm going to do 200 divided by 2 because that's per micro contract, and then divided by the stop loss. I can do 3 micros. So 3 micros will get me as closest to possible to $200. Bias ranging day. I think it's going to range. Maybe a dumb question, but how can you trade 5 worth of 21K if I only have 50K? What do you mean? This is not 21K. That's why. This is points. This is not $21,000. You said about 30% consistency on Apex, so at 50K account you can make 750 a day, right? It doesn't. You can make 10,000 a day, brother, if you want. It just you have to be consistent every day. Took a trade on NQ my TB from boy, you get a TB on TB. Nice, bro. Nice. Maybe next time you can look into, I don't know, maybe taking a partial or something. If you feel like you want to take something off. What is IPTA? IPTA is the interbank price delivery algorithm. Took long from 370 point TP. Nice, bro. London expansion equals see you later alligator strategy. Yo, bro, I've been getting a lot of info rec. Nice, bro. I'm gonna put you guys on. I'm gonna wait for people to join. But low-key, I'm gonna put you guys on, bro. Trust. Just give me some time. Let people join up. And I'm gonna put you guys on. And it's like more simple than you would think, but like for some reason, like a lot of people just don't do it. And you can really just make more money in your trades that win. You can just make more money. How's your belt going? I honestly haven't checked my weight in a while, bro, and I don't want to check because I don't want to be disappointed yet. So I'm gonna give myself more time. Bro, about to show the dinosaur strategy. I did that last NFP day, right? No, I'm not gonna do not the dinosaur strategy. It's actually something. How much do you recommend to risk on an eval? Probably, it depends how much money you have. Can you afford to blow an eval and get another one and try again? If not, then you gotta risk proper. But if you can afford it, then just risk 1%. Try to pass quickly. It all depends how safe or aggressive you want to be in the eval. That's the only thing that matters. I'm close to passing my top step challenge after 1 month. Do you think it's a good idea to trade this week? I mean, there's only 2 days left. I don't want you to pay the rebill, so yeah, I guess you can try. How close are you to passing? I blow too many challenges, tired of losing. Actually, if you want to play it safe on the eval to try and, you know, give yourself a better chance of passing, then don't full port. The best way to trade evals, guys, realistically, the best, most efficient way for you and your time, lower my camera here, is simply to risk 1% and only take A+ trades. Like, do not trade if it's not the best trade, because you're risking more. You can't be like taking trades like, I'm gonna take this for like, nah. The trade needs to be clean, and then you up your risk a lot, and you try to pass in like 2 or 3 A+ trades. You know, like that's the best way to do it. That's what I'm gonna start doing. I finally got a 50K funded and I'm in profit. Is there a smart strategy to take profit? What firm are you funded with, brother? Market open, we're all shorting. LOL, this is a joke. Is my funded futures legit? I want an instant payout. They're legit. They'll pay you. I don't know if they do instant, but they'll pay you out, brother. You got Top Step. So let me ask you, Boy Strip. I mean, that's a weird name. I don't know. But let me ask you, bro, straight up. Do you want to get multiple payouts on that account? Or do you just want to secure one payout for yourself and you're not too focused on what happens after? You just want to lock one in? It's up to you. I discovered you today. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, bro. You trade funded accounts at the moment? Yes. You looking for shorts? I think this is going to range. But if I'll say one thing. If it is going to expand, I'm not even going to say it. I think it's going to range. Previous day low could be strong. Yeah. Yeah, previous day low here. Yeah, sell side here. We'll see. I want to see this gray pool holds. Don't understand what is the scaling plan of alpha, scaling a general contract limit. I think it's pretty much same as Top Step. Work towards multiple payouts. So what you need to do, brother, is you need to get a buffer. Meaning you probably don't want to take a payout unless you're above $2,000 on the 50K funded on Top Step. What do you think is going to happen today? I think we're going to range. So sell side, buy side, stuff like that. So with what you're saying, alpha is better for payouts for someone who wants more payouts. No. Well, I don't know about in terms of payout quantity, it's probably going to be similar to the other firms. Well, Top Step only, not the other firms, but Top Step. But in terms of getting your first couple payouts, it'll be faster and easier. Payouts are easier. That's what it is. If you want to get a payout, Alpha Futures rules have easier. It's easier to get a payout. What do I think about Apex? They're all right. They're my number 4 personally, but still works. 600 away from funded today might be the day. Today is a difficult trading day. Expect this condition. How many payouts did I get this year? $0. Where's Maiso? He never comes live anymore. He's locked in, bro. He's on his grind. I don't know if he goes live. He doesn't really go live that much, I don't think. My funded future is my number 3. Tradeify. I mean, yo, low key, Tradeify is like better than Apex, but it's pretty much the same thing. The reason Apex is better is because you can get 20 accounts. Like, that's the only reason. Remember, this is my ranking, right? The only reason Apex is number 4 is because you can get 20 accounts. One day I'll be getting 20 accounts, you know? Buys today, range day. Do you still talk to myself? Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, I get it, but I only get to trade 20 micros without scaling when I passed. Is that Top Step or Alpha? No, you should be able to trade more, bro. Is TradingView good to use? Yeah, I like TradingView. How do I set multiple TPs? You guys can set multiple limits. So let's say you want a TP for lower. Let's say you're in shorts. That's 1 TP. That's another TP. That's another TP. You can adjust how many contract you want to take off. If you're in shorts, you set buy limits. If you're in longs, you put sell limits. Top 5, Alpha, Top Step, My Funded Futures, Apex, and then like Tradeify, Take Profit Trade. For me, Apex, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, they're all in like the same boat. Because they all have live trailing drawdown, man, right? So The only reason Apex evals are cheaper is because people blow them more often. What do you think about the market right now? I think it's gonna range. First time I've seen silver bullet in London. Yeah, bro, forms. It forms. Take care for buys because a bearish 50-minute FUG is just above the actual price created 1 hour ago. Yep, you're right. We are respecting that currently. We're kind of bouncing between two fair value gaps, so. Apex, yeah, the Apex rules are hard, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. Apex, even if it's like, I know it's possible, but personally, when the Apex rules like work against me, like it just puts me on tilt. That's the real reason, you know. That's the main reason I don't like Apex. Like when I take a trade and I'm up a certain amount and I end up like breaking even or something, like that just puts me on tilt, bro. Because I know my drawdown just decreased for no reason whatsoever. Like that shit just annoys me. It's hard to like keep it focused. Your country has no choice but Apex. Really? Are you sure? I feel like there's definitely some other really good options out there. Top 7 alpha futures aren't available in my country. Where should I go? What country are you in? No, I'm not in a trade. I'm not in a trade right now. Your country only has top set? Really? The consistency rule? Yeah, so it's simple. The rule states that your total profit on the account, so whatever that number is, the total profits on your account cannot, so whatever that number is, let's say the number is $10,000. That's your total profit. Your best trade, your best single trade, or I think it's best single day, your best single day cannot be 40% of that total number. So that's all it means. So if you have 10K profit and you have a 40% consistency rule, it means your best day can't be $4,000. They're basically trying to say that, okay, you made 10,000, that's great. But if you're gonna make more than 4,000 in one day, like you're not a consistent trader. You kind of gambled and over leveraged that day. Top set, my fund futures and alpha futures have Philippines banned. Damn, really? Should I try and put in a word for you? Are you profitable? Depends on the month. Not every month. Do you have your models on your Discord? My models are on my YouTube and in my Discord, yes. What platform you use? Alpha Futures and Top Step and funded by traders. You're from Philippines, unfortunately. Wait, isn't... No, he's from Vietnam. I'm tripping. Why don't you have the regular trading hours open? I think the gap is really small. Oh, damn, we have a huge opening range gap. Yeah, we can mark out the opening range gap. The opening range gap. Absolutely massive. What if my profit is 1,000? Can I now make more than 300? Yeah, so on your first... Am I the only one that can't log into alpha right now? Let me try. I mean, I'm in my alpha. Do I trade gold sometimes? Did you sell off? I don't know what you mean that I sell off. Is Traders Elite good? I've never personally heard about them. If you guys are in Philippines, what I would do, honestly, just get a Forex firm account. Like, get a funded by traders account. It's not futures, but just trade NAS 100. You know? Put a word in for Romania. I can try, bro. This is not first presentation. No. This candle, see, this candle's at 929. So this is not your first presentation, fair value gap. Thoughts on 10 a.m. 4-hour power of 3? I don't think it's consistent. I think you should use 9:30 power of 3. I don't really understand people who use 10 a.m. power of 3. Like, it's pretty rare. I feel like it's pretty rare that 10 a.m. gives you like a nice manipulation. A lot of the time it just continues. The gap is in regular trading hours. I do speak Arabic a little bit, yeah. All right, looking at this bearish fair value gap. It's just what I'm looking at. Should we stay low here? Should we stay low here? Yes, just me. Do you do trading classes? Not really. Not trading classes. Just trade CFD and watch for the spread if you can't trade futures. That's what I would do too. If you're in Philippines or Romania, it's I don't know. That's what my students do. Some of them they just trade the CFD. So trade NAS 100, right? Trade NAS 100, and you do your analysis on Nasdaq. Same thing. Just when you execute the trade, just take the trade on NAS 100. And yeah, Daddy. I see Inta, but I can't read the other word. I'm not that good, bro. Can you give me some motivational speech? I just lost one more funded. What do you feel bad about losing a funded for, bro? Is this the last one you're ever gonna purchase? Are you longing after your inversion? No. Why did I mark out the FAG like that? All right, everyone, listen up. Everyone, listen up. When there is a fair value gap, you do not mark it out like this. This is the incorrect way to mark out a fair value gap. You have to include any volume imbalance that formed with the fair value gap. Don't take it from me. Take it from ICT. This isn't me adding something to ICT. This is how ICT teaches it. Okay? So when you trade the fair value gap, include the volume imbalance. So I'm not putting it at the wick high. I'm putting it at the body. All right? If you don't know this, it just means you didn't watch enough ICT, but I got you. Have you posted your payout method in terms of amount of money or in terms of payouts? My payout method? I don't really have a specific amount I'm aiming for. You guys are saying nah and You guys didn't watch, but you guys didn't learn. You learned incorrectly from some guy on TikTok. Only TJRKs mark out FEG without the volume imbalance. Does the bank that question? I mean, just think about it. If you're trying to mark out the imbalance correctly, why would you not include the volume imbalance? I mean, it just makes sense too. Why not include the top part? There is no volume imbalance on the top. If there was a volume imbalance in here, then you would include it. What do you think about a prop firm with 10% consistency? Good luck, bro. They're going to deny your shit. I hear Gatie FEG. No, it's not a Gatie FEG. This is the regular fair value gap, the correct way. You waiting for previous day low, take and then reversal? I don't know if it's going to reverse, but right now I think previous day low, so I'm just watching. I see it on my end on Top Step. That's probably because you're on the micro. I would always do your analysis. Listen, whenever you're doing your analysis, do it on NASDAQ, E-mini contract. Either do it on NQH 2025 or NQ1 with beta adjust on. And frame everything off of that. If you're trading the micro or whatever, just always do it like that. Which mentorships from? I've seen every single ICT lecture, bro. Most of them I've seen multiple times. Speak some Arabic, brother. Habibi, why don't you trade gold? I do trade gold sometimes, but rarely. Explain your volume. Volume for me just is the range of the candles. If you have a lot of volume, it means you have the range in the candles. Good range. When I was talking about the volume imbalance, I'm talking about the gap between the two bodies. Because the bodies make up the bulk of the volume, so that's why it's called a volume imbalance. Thank you, Nora. No. It's probably just Noor. MashaAllah, speak Arabic. Well, you said speak Arabic. You didn't say read no Arabic. Do you know how small that is for me on my screen, bro? What do you say to Mamba strategy? I don't know what the strategy is. Tell us more why you took this trade. What trade, bro? I took a trade? I took a trade, guys? Okay, is it worth watching them all? If so, I'll do it. It kind of depends on your personality, to be honest. Like, for me, I had to watch them all because I just needed to learn everything. I just needed to learn everything and see for myself what I like. But realistically, 2022 mentorship is enough. Any one mentorship is enough to give you a model that you can backtest and refine to make your own. If you want my personal opinion, I think everyone should at least watch 2022 and then 2024. I think those go hand in hand very good today and will teach you a lot of concepts that you can trade. Which, as yeah, like I just said, in my opinion, 2022 and 2024 are pretty good places. Will you enter on the IFEG? If you're bullish, you can enter on the IFEG, sure. What you looking for? For me today is a no trade day. Are you on Telegram? I have Telegram, but I don't really trade it. I mean, I don't really use it. What do you say about Malaysian support and resistance? I have it. Why is it Malaysian, bro? What does that mean? Why is it Malaysian? So, if you were to take a trade like this, would probably look something like this. So, not even really too risk to reward. This is your first presentation, fair value gap right here. So right here. Notice there is no volume imbalance there. There is a volume imbalance here. Sorry, no volume imbalance. So this is your first presentation, fair value gap. We can see if price wants to go back in there. Or if it wants to leave it open. If it leaves it open, that means it's pretty bullish. But again, my bias, everyone keeps asking me, what's my bias? I think it's going to range today. So maybe we can take out this buy side. But we'll see. Look at the body respecting 50% of this inversion. What does first presentation? It means the first fair value gap after 9:30. That's what it means. That's what it means, my brother. Is there any news? How do you determine a volume imbalance? When there is a gap between two bodies in the candle, then there is a volume imbalance. What's the difference between NQ futures and NAS 100? The only difference is just the asset, the security class. So one of them is NQ, like it's a futures contract. One of them is a contract of differences, contract for differences. Is there news today? Let's see. 8:30 there was at 10 a.m. Trump speaking today too, man. Yeah, but come on, this is a super red flag day. Are you trading at all today because of NFP tomorrow? Not on the funded. Maybe I'll paper trade one. This short looks pretty good. What are you trading? NASDAQ. You got stopped? Yeah, makes sense, to be honest, respectfully. No offense. You know what's funny? Like, what time frame? This is the 1 minute. Long's cooking? Long's cooking? I don't think anything's cooking right now, bro. Unicorn model. I mean, yeah, that is a bullish fair value gap. You right about that. You right about that. Hold on. In case something does form A+, we'll open up the... Alright, let's see. So far, just consolidating. Just consolidating. What pairs is NASDAQ? NFP week, Monday and Tuesday are best days. Wednesday and Thursday start consolidating. And yep, 100%. 100%. My friend said London would be better and I banked. London is better on a day like this, yeah. You're waiting for a previous day low? That's good. Bro, go back test? You guys want me to back test? Or do you guys want me to tape read and show any trades that would form my model? Tape read? I'd have to see first presentation inverse. I do have a bias on high time frame, of course, always. Last two candles. This would be a bullish order block, but I'm not bullish right now. I think we take previous day low. Show trades. This is a bearish OB. If we close below. Inverse first presentation, we probably run to previous day low. What time frame do you use for high time frame bias? Daily and weekly. So we inverse first presentation. We formed a bearish order block because this candle traded into this imbalance. So probably can use this candle to trade lower to previous day low. That's what I think right now. I'm in sales right now. It looks good. Yeah, I agree. This would be my model for short. This would meet the criteria of a classic model. You banked. Good job, bro. No, it's buys. That's okay. You can go long. It is a bad day for trading. What type of day is today to be trading London instead of New York? Today is the day before non-farm payroll. You can look up here. This is where I put it. Should I put this in red? Maybe if I put it in red, people will actually see it. I feel like still no one will see it. What's the reason? Non-farm payroll tomorrow. What is meant by first presentation? Like first to happen? Yeah, first fair value gap after 9:30. So this one is not after. This one 9:29, right, is before. This one is after 9:30. What's that? What's non-farm payroll? It's the economic event. You think it's a bad day to trade? No, absolutely. That's why I'm not trading today. I'll just sit here and tape read. Touching the order block. Because we're really sloppy, we can probably trade to 50% of the order block. So 50% of the order block would be right there. What is meant by first? Yeah, exactly. Oh, you're not trading today? Not on my funded. No, I mean maybe the eval, but I don't think so. When you do backtest? I pretty much backtest a little bit every day at least. I try my best to do a little bit every day. Sell a contract at open every day for the past week works with this price action. You're right. Not wrong. Is this orange marked FEG was after market open? That one was before, right? So if it was after, then yeah. But this one was before, so you have to keep waiting, and then boom, this is your first one. Is your top step connect with TradingView? No. My top step is with Top Step X. SMT with ES. Yeah, I mean, hopefully you guys can start to see why today is a no trade day. It's taking a previous day low, then reversing. It's close to it. Well, I don't know why you guys expect like the best setups to form on a day like this. That's not usually what happens on days like this. It could, but it's unlikely. Getting me flashbacks from yesterday. How long have you been trading? Year and 3 months or something like that. What are you thinking about swinging longs? You could swing longs. You just react to the market. Do you know how to connect two funded accounts together? Yes. Down move 2 times better. Damn, yeah. Damn. This is so much cleaner. Wow. Look at the Dow Jones, guys. Just clean, classic model. Yeah. It's exactly what it is, bro. It's exactly what it is. Nice. Literally no other way to put it. That's just exactly what it is. Bum, 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 bum. Is TradeOvate and NinjaTrader are connected to TradingView? TradeOvate is. I don't think you can connect NinjaTrader. What do you mean by ES or classic model? Classic model is one of my models. Does classic model work good? Of course. Almost all of our last wins were classic models with like 0 drawdown. It's good. I mean, yeah, it wouldn't be one of my models if I didn't think it was good. Why do people expect anything at all? Just react. If you just react, then it's not good, in my opinion. You have to predict. Can you explain the rules about a payout if I connect 2 funded accounts together? It's the same rules as if it's just one. Sloppy. Look at the sloppiness. Like, even if this does go to previous day low, it's just likely to be so sloppy. What other models do you have? I mean, it's one model, just it can form multiple ways. My classic, my reversal, and my protraction. What do you trade? NASDAQ futures. Why do people expect, yeah. How did you know? How did I know what? That it was going to be sloppy? Today's the day before non-farm payroll. If it continues likely like this, PM session should be better. PM session will probably be worse, bro. You said you would put us on. You're right. You're allowed to trade 3 alpha futures right now. I'm hoping they can increase that to 5 at least, but for now it's just 3. But hopefully they can increase it because I don't want to get more. Would you trade tomorrow? Tomorrow should be good. Is tomorrow gonna be slow? No, tomorrow will be fast. After 9:30. I am gonna put you guys on. Do you guys want me to put you? Don't think today will be good looking at overnight session. It's also just the day before non-farm payroll, so that's the main reason in my opinion. But yeah, what is this PA? Non-farm payroll. How are you guys gonna? Well, this happens every single time I go live before non-farm payroll. People are like so surprised that this is how it's printing. Guys, it's been like this every single day, every single month before non-farm payroll. It's pretty much like this every time. Same thing happened yesterday. Was yesterday like this too? Yesterday was a larger range. Oh yeah, yesterday was larger range. This one is just literally consolidating. Bullish or bearish? Range day. Because they don't journal, I guess. Why do you not trade on the funded? I can't read. Because NFP tomorrow. I'll make it bigger. Whoa, someone gave 20 roses? Appreciate you, bro. When do you stop trading? 10:10? No, usually I stop at 11:30. Thanks for the roses, bro. Is this a reclaimed bullish fair value gap now? Well, actually, you would view this as a balanced price range, but so we should. If I mean, in a good market, we won't come back down here, but it's not a good market. Is there US 30 in futures? Yep, it's YM. Are you selling tomorrow, bro? How am I supposed to know for today if I'm selling tomorrow, bro? Ask me tomorrow. You're in a buy right now. Good luck, bro. Yep, this would be a breaker mitigation model. You trade PM session? Sometimes. What's this index? This is NASDAQ. This would be breaker mitigation, no? Oh, SMT here. And you could treat these up close candles like a bullish breaker block. We'll just mark out the high, but it's all of these candles. But we can just mark out the high. You trading minis or micros? Usually I trade micros. Lower? It looks like we're gonna keep ranging. So we took sell side, and then I guess buy side, but it's not gonna be clean. I wouldn't be surprised if this just continues to reverse. It's lagging. What's lagging? Do you use market maker models? Sometimes. Why do you not trade on this button? Yeah, right there. Is there a breaker block? Is a market structure shift? A breaker block is a market structure shift that happens after a liquidity sweep. Why are we making SMTs at previous day low? I don't know. Can you have multiple charts without a membership at TradingView? No, I don't think so. I think you need one. Market maker model. What is the difference in ICT? What do you mean? What is the difference? Difference from what compared to what? How you doing? I'm doing good, bro. Someone trading previous day high low sweep. What is the percentage revenue monthly of your models in backtest? Roughly 75. Oh, percentage revenue? Good question. I don't know the number to that, bro. If I'm being honest with you, I actually don't know the number. Because I usually do it with different accounts. I've never really looked at that, to be honest. I usually just look at, when I'm backtesting, I'll either look at win rate or profit factor. You think we will take sell side or buy side? Right now, I think we'll take buy side first. I traded today. If I traded today, I would have gotten stopped out 69 times. See how patience pays. Everyone thinks like they're gonna make more money if they keep trading on days, but in reality, you're just gonna lose more money if you trade on days like this. You meant to trade towards previous or targeting it directly. What other days are this sloppy? The morning of FOMC is also this sloppy. That's pretty much, that's like the two main ones. Sometimes day before CPI. Yesterday's PA was cheeks. You're just blowing your account now. That's why you guys gotta not trade today. Everyone thinks, it's funny because everyone wants to trade today because they think, oh, if I trade today, there's a good chance I'll make money, or like I'm gonna make more money if I trade today. But in reality, that's just no. In reality, if you trade today, you're probably gonna lose, right? Yeah, nothing new, brother. Honestly, don't care about NFP. I'm just trading my strategy. That's a pretty, no offense, bro, but that's a pretty stupid comment, bro. You need to know what days your strategy's more likely to play out than other days. Converted to London for now with New York is too much. That's okay. How can you tell if it's not a trading day? You study the days that are not good. And the days before non-farm payroll is usually never good. Do you trade after NFP? Yeah, I like trading NFP day. Can you go to the daily for 1 second? Yeah, sorry. That's what it looks like. Oops, sorry, wrong one. So very bearish day. Wouldn't fundamental news destroy every setup tomorrow? Yeah, so I don't trade during, I wait for the news and I trade after the news. Are you trading today? Compares today to the Asian range? Yeah, I mean, Asian range might be even better, bro, to be honest. What about the 81 PDA in the day? 81 PDA in the day? What do you mean? Why not trade the news? Because it's a gamble if you trade the news. No way you can predict news. Even if you could predict news, there's like no way to manage your risk correctly to protect yourself. Strategy works every day regardless of what happens. Alright, bro. I mean, if it works every day, it works every day. Is FVBG not a Reaper? Yeah, you could view it as a Reaper for value gap. You can, bro? No, I can't. I don't know if maybe you can, but I definitely cannot predict news. There's mean threshold of the breaker. He says he has 81 PD raise. Where's LS highs and lows? What's LS? London highs and lows? London highs is all the way up here. London lows all the way down here. So Amadeus, huge new track, you analysis of the charts. I mean, to each their own, bro. I guess. In my opinion, it's impossible to predict news consistently. Even if you can predict news, the chances of you being able to manage your risk correctly is like pretty impossible, bro. What's a PD array? You should watch my most recent video on YouTube. For general order flow, do you use the time frames lower than the 5 minute or not really? Yeah, I use 1 minute. Like 1 to 5 minute. Mostly the one. I mostly read on the 1 minute. I want to see minute by minute what's happening to these candles. But you'd have to be in the 1 minute time frame then? What? What'd you just say? Would I take a trade? This happens every time, man. NASDAQ. We formed a 4-hour city. Hasn't formed yet. Because sometimes there's a break of structure on news has to be low lot size. Guys, please read the watermark. Show my account. What account do you want to see, bro? I'm not trading today. No, guys, no. I don't know how much bigger I can make it for you guys to read. Bro, it's right there. What do you mean why, bro? Alright, there's only one thing left to do, bro. We gotta go with the huge setting. Surely this is good enough now, right? I can back that if you guys want. It's up to you guys. Put it in the middle of the screen. Yeah, then we can't see the candles. 10 a.m. open right here. We're still inside the opening range, so. Are you bullish or bearish? Range. My market is range. Let's backtest. Let's backtest. Why is price so sloppy? Can't be real, man. Everyone in chat is dropping ideas, which are all great ideas, but you're forgetting like literally probably the most important thing you should be looking for today, which is nothing. Straight up. Long, short. Everyone's saying long, short, previous day low, silver bullet. Bro, what? 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 Like everyone wants to take a trade so bad. Sometimes the best thing you can do is just take no trade, you know? 50 minutes not that bad yet. Just give it some time though. It'll be bad soon. Take care, Ziggy or Zaggy. I think it'll get here, but finding a trade is impossible. I'd swing long. I wouldn't swing. I wouldn't swing. I would not swing NQ right now. You know what's happening with the market? It's just crazy, bro. 15-minute chart. You entered long 9:59. Good luck, bro. There's no news today. I built a 200 buffer range and then lost it now in seconds. Welcome to non-farm payroll morning session. Watching while you in school. Can I get 2 Solana? No, brother. Do you use opening range gap? Yep, I marked it out right here. What pairs? This is NASDAQ. We could always try to trade like some weird shit like JPY. Can you trade this? It's also barcoding. Are you sharing NFP signal tomorrow? Am I sharing NFP signal tomorrow? What does that even mean? No. I don't try to predict the NFP candle. Yes, this is because of NFP. Check gold. High. Gold would probably also be not that good, but we can check gold. Damn, gold just went higher, huh? Straight up London reversal. 930, just pump. Yeah. Analyze gold. It just looks like it's pumping crazy. Well, looks like this will take out the buy side just based on that candle. How long you been trading for? It's been about a year and a good amount. Damn, bro. Shit going. This shit going. Bro, this shit looks like it's being forced to go higher. Wonder if anyone turtle soup that. Who turtle soup that? Be honest. I know some of you guys be trading turtle soup, bro. There was one guy you said got in. Did you pass the alpha futures? No, I did not pass the alpha futures, brother. We're still halfway. We are still halfway. I did. Yeah. Market makers, they're all here now. Nah, no balls for that. That's a crazy one, bro, to be honest. Cap. Where was the turtle soup entry exactly? Right here. Well, there's buy side. There's the buy side liquidity pool. I said that if we inverse, we take buy side, but all hindsight. Yeah, I mean, I was also looking at buy side, but there's absolutely zero chance I would ever take a trade and catch this move towards the buy side. You know, Big Shark trades. I saw him on Twitter yesterday. He posted something like he just tilted and blew out his accounts. I appreciate the transparency in him. I know when I was improving my trading, I'm acting like I'm not still improving, bro. Like I know as someone who's trying to improve their trading, when I saw other traders be transparent, like it personally helped me, you know? What mentorships? All the mentorships, bro. It will form a downward trend. Maybe. It's possible. You can see first presentation being used multiple times. 1, 2, 3 with the turtle soup. Entered long on Russell at 946. TP hit somehow. Like I said, TP hit somehow. Yeah, Russell looks a lot better. Yeah. Trading is a discipline in handling emotions. Agreed. Grinder? Yeah, bro. I am a grinder. You're right. Do you guys want me to look? Do you guys want me to keep tape reading, or should we do some back test? Or should I put you guys on the super secret method? I'm joking. There's no super secret method, but in all honesty, I do think there's a really good way to improve. I do think there's a really good way to improve how much money you make on wins, and I think P&L curve helps a lot. Let me put you guys on. First things first, let me ask you guys a question, bro. Answer this question. Everyone in chat, just answer this question. Have you ever been in a winning trade, right? And your stop's at like break even, or your stop is reduced, right? And it starts to look really good. Like you almost know it's going to hit TP, you know? Like let's say you entered here, right? And your stop was here, and this is your trade, and you're like, you know what? I can put my stop here now, right? And your trade's like, you know what? This is probably going to hit TP. Okay? Has that ever happened to you? You're in a winning trade, your stop is reduced, and or break even. Bro, that trade is very likely to be a winner. TP is very likely to be hit. Add to that motherfucker, bro. Add contracts. 1, 2, 3 micros, 4, 5. Add, bro. Just add something. Your TPs, it's gonna make a difference in the long run. Imagine your original trade was like whatever 2R. Your stop's reduced. You're not risking any more than what you were originally risking. Your stop is reduced now, so you can add contracts to the trade. Obviously, if it's right here and your TP's here, okay, don't add, right? But I'm saying if you reduce your stop to a level, or if your stops break even, just add, bro. Like that trade is likely to hit TP. I bet you 8 out of 10 times in a trade that's going in that certain way, your TP is gonna be hit, right? Like I'm saying, like if it's something like this, like it's probably gonna hit, you know? It's probably gonna hit. No, like just click buy. Like as soon as you reduce your stop, just click buy. Just click buy. You reduced your stop, and you like this only works on trades where like you almost know it's gonna hit TP. Like let's say you're aiming for this, okay? Let's just say you're aiming for this. You're really bullish. You're like, yup, I'm confident we're gonna hit this, and this is your original trade idea, okay? 1.6R. You enter long, and it starts going up. And then price gets to like right here. And you're like, you know what? I'm going to put my stop like break even. Bro, add something. Just buy. Just add another position. Your next trade will look like this. And it'll pretty much be break even. You just get another like 1.3R. And it's not like you're increasing your risk or anything. Why didn't you wait for yesterday's low to be? I didn't. Wait, one, we didn't need to. Two, where did I learn? I saw more trades talk about it. That's when I learned. And I started thinking, and I was like, wait, this happens to me all the time, bro. Like, not full port. No, man, that is not what I. How did I say all that? And you're like, so we full port that hoe. No, man, that's not what I said, bro. This guy said, so full port that shit. No, man. But like in reality, like, just add. Like you're gonna just think about it like this. If you naturally get 2 risk to reward, right? You're trying to get that. If you add to the position, you'll average out more than 2 risk to reward. Your risk to reward will now be like 2.5, 3, maybe 3.5. So that's so much better. I'll answer your question, Turtle Soup. One sec, brother. I'll tell. One sec. So someone said, but you risk the money you secured. Yes, that's why you only have to do it. Listen, you only have to do this like 50% of the time and be correct. Yeah, we took out the equal highs. The reason why it works is because most of the time, you know this trade is going to hit TP, right? You know, that's the key. You can't do this every single time it starts going in your favor. If you do that, you're going to start taking big losses. But if you're like really confident in the trade hitting TP and your stop is reduced, your stop has to be reduced. Because you don't want to risk more. Like, I'm not going to add positions if I'm leaving my stop down here. I'm just adding risk. I'm not supposed to be over leveraging. I don't want to over leverage. I just want to add to my winners. I want to add to my really good trades to secure maximum profits on a trade that I think is going to hit TP. No trade day 2 trades for me. We talked about the buy side, but that's it. Why do we not need to take previous day low? Because think about it like this. And by the way, we still can come back and take previous day low. But discount longs, I'll make this as simple as possible. If we're likely to go higher today, there are 2 levels. If we're likely to go higher today, there are 2 levels that can send us higher on the daily chart. Previous day low and 50% of the wick, right? So for that person who said, oh, but we didn't take previous day low. Okay, sure. You can't expect previous day low to be taken and it's to reverse every single day. So for example, what if I told you this is the low of the week? If I said, yo, listen, this is low of the week. We're not taking out this low, right? Well, would you still look for previous day? No, you wouldn't look for previous day low. You'd be like, all right, well, where can we go long from? I secured $400 today. Would it be better to walk away? Yes, bro. Don't risk it. Yeah, and I'm not gonna lie, it was sloppy. Like, this is sloppy, but that's how you know, right? How many times have we talked about on this live stream, on this live, or on YouTube or TikTok? How many times have we talked about putting in equal lows on days like this? And we just touched the rejection block. You know? Is it power of 3 on the 5 minute? It's still 930 power of 3. Time distortion. Low. It's just a very sloppy delivery. No, I did not cash this trade. I would never take this trade. There is no model here. Just because the bias was right. I'm not even trading today. But just because the bias was right, I don't know. I didn't catch this. There's no way. That's a problem. I'm not confident enough yet to add more contracts. Yeah, and if you're not confident, and that's why I say only do it in trades that you like are very probable. So we'll do some back testing. I'll show you guys all my models in action. Do you guys want me to back test? Or should we just answer questions and chill? Good shit, Robert Lee. That's good, bro. If you walked away, break even, or win today, even small loss, Super W. Backtest. Everyone's saying backtest. All right, we'll do. Are you trading tomorrow? Tomorrow's a trade day for me. Yes. Have you seen SMT today? Yes, and NQ. Yes. All right, everyone wants backtest. Let's do some backtesting. Play poker. Chill and tape read. I'm sorry, bro. I feel like everyone else said back. Everyone said backtest. Everyone wants me to. Everyone wants me to use my model. At what point would you add contract? 50% terminus. Good question. That's the thing. I was gonna actually backtest. So, in terms of system, I don't have a system for it yet. But what I'm thinking right now is just honestly to take it trade by trade. If I look like it's really like the last couple wins we took were really clean wins. Like we entered 0 drawdown. It was going straight to TP, fast, heavy. I should be adding on those, right? I should just be like, you know what? My stop's reduced. Let me just add something, right? You could make a systematic like, okay, yeah, if you catch a reversal and we retrace, like, okay, yeah, you can add on this, right? That I do that. That one's easy. That one's just, this is my model, right? So I can do that. But I'm talking about like, like the ones where it's like literally right there. Like even if this is your trade, guys. Let's say this is your trade, right? Bro, fuck it, just add it. Whatever. You're gonna get 44 points. That's an extra. That's an extra $90 per micro. Say you add 2 micros, that's an extra $200. Like that's like, just add it. The chances, like, this trade is likely to hit TP, So as long as you're not over leveraging, then screw it. Just add. You're catching an extra 200. Your risk to reward will thank you so much. It's like the difference between this risk to reward and this risk to reward. So there, yeah, no, but I'm not really talking about scaling in. Like you can scale into a position for sure. I was talking more about yeah, I think we're going London highs, bro. To be honest, I actually think it's possible. I'm not gonna lie, like I don't want to say this and make people think we're bullish, but like part of me, just the intuition in me, not even looking at price action or anything, part of me thinks that this is gonna be the low. This is gonna be the low for the reversal. The reversal won't be confirmed until we close above this level. But like if we get the CISD, then it's confirmed probably. But for me, like I low-key think this could be the low of the month, bro. Like I don't know. Just like intuition. Nothing logical. Just kind of have a feeling, But I guess we'll see. What is CISD? Change in the state of delivery. It reversed from this low twice previously. I mean, that's not really what I'm looking at, but to me, it just kind of makes sense, fits the narrative. The only thing that makes me question it is the fact that Trump is speaking, bro, and like when Trump is speaking, anything can happen. Yeah, I'll open up the back test. All right, let's just pick up where we left off. You always use the opening price for CISD. Tuesday, September 24. All right. I know everyone be backtesting without economic calendar. Hell no, we do this shit legit. You try to trade pre-market range? Me? Oh, you want me to back? Is Forex Replay or TradeZella better? TradeZella is definitely better, but it's like $5 more, I think. Well, actually, I think with my code it's not, but PCE Fed Chair speaks on Thursday, it's Wednesday, Tuesday, September 24. All right, I already did this day. Caught a nice short here. All right, next day. All right, Wednesday, crude oil, daily chart. Order flows bullish. Tuesday's low of week currently. Probably would be bullish. Looks like we'll take previous day high. I mean, previous day high at least. And then I guess from there we look for something in the range maybe. London low of day. So we could look for a daily protraction model. Keep it simple. So basically needed to see it trade lower. And then we can look for longs. I'm on the 15-minute chart watching. Oh, please don't just pump straight to previous day high. Oh no. Why is it skipping? Why is it skipping 2 candles at once? What time frame needs for CISD? For entries, I look anything from the 1 minute to 5 minute. For daily bias, daily. Nothing else. Bro, why is it skip? Why is Trump talking showing as an orange folder? This could be a long. It's a very risky long though, but it could be. I probably wouldn't take it. Wow, it actually played out. We could take this. I'll have to wait for a retracement, I'd say. I mean, what's the risk reward on a trade like this? 1.3. Could just break even there and look for 1.2. So something like this. And then here, you just go break even. Aim for that 1 to 2. Retraction model. You could have got a lot better entry, but it is what it is. So simple idea. Bullish bias, previous day high still open. Retrace into bullish fair value gap. And the inversion here. And then 1 minute inversion. This is where I longed. Because it was 2R, it meets the criteria. I do use standard deviations. We are on the 4-hour refugee. For example, this could see -1. We can fast forward here and see. There's -1. So we could have held it if we want, but previous day high is a good objective. Why aren't you backtesting? Aren't you going to trade? No trade day today, brother. I don't trade the day before non-farm. We use 4-hour refugee in my gift USC. We think we'll be ranging again. No clue. I feel like people ask me to backtest, and then I backtest, and everyone leaves. Alright, next day. Fed chair speak 9:20 a.m. Probably wait till 10 a.m. to trade here. It still have to be bullish. Unfortunately, it's not ideal. Premium longs, but what's TradingView doing? I mean, what's NQ doing? That's the same. We are here. All right. You say you're here. I believe. We could aim for this volume imbalance, I guess, as a potential daily objective. If we're gonna expand, what the hell is this, bro? We expanded all the way through Asia and London. I'd probably have to look for a seek and destroy on a day like this. We got 15-minute sell side. We'll probably reach that 4-hour. Could look for a protraction short. Like, it's such a bad trade. No, I can't take this. I think it's gonna go lower, but I can't take this trade. Let's say it traces higher. Let's mark out the daily range. Let's mark out the daily range and see where we're at. Okay, we're almost at discount on the day. See if we get discount. there's discount. Let's just say this 1 hour bullish. Could frame a reversal, I guess. Looking for a CISD here. If we get a CISD, could be a first sign of reversal. Yeah, I mean, as soon as this becomes choppy like this, looks like a no trade day. It just dumped right at 9:30 and didn't even look back. I'd probably skip the rest of the session. We back testing? We are back testing, brother. PCE. TJF already met. I don't think Friday will make. I mean, Friday could make a new high. What's the 4 hour looking like? I mean, yeah, it could be bullish here. Hourly, pretty bullish as well. Low did low, so maybe something like this to previous day high. We can look for it. So trading in the 15-minute BISI. The hourly looks a lot cleaner, so we'll just mark out the hourly and see if it gives us the reaction we're looking for. If not, then we might have the incorrect bias. I want to see a breaker. Look at ES as well. It looks really sloppy, so there's definitely nothing here yet. This first presentation we just inversed could meet the criteria. So on a trade like this, what I could do is take a trade, say call it something like this. And then add. So if I took like 1 micro, and then let's say we get the full breaker. So right now we don't have a breaker. We don't have any confirmation of reversal, right? So this would be a no trade. But if I'm really confident in the idea, what I could do is take this trade and then look to add something if that breaker forms. So let's say I took 1 micro here, and then let's see if this goes higher. Nah, it didn't even go higher. So it would be the idea, like if we do get the breaker, then we can add on the breaker. And if we don't get the breaker, well, then we only lost 1 micro. So it doesn't matter too much. Well, it matters, but hopefully that makes sense. This looks really sloppy. This is a CISD. This is first presentation. This could be another scenario where you just buy one. It looks so sloppy, but I still think it can go higher. We're inside the macro. We put a 10 AM low. We can try it again. Damn, that I got hella volatile real quick. Yeah, this would just be a no trade day. You know, I probably took 2 losses on this day on live markets too. I feel like I would have probably. The S&T failed. Why did bro? Look at ES and look at NQ, bro. This was the trade that we took. And I'll show you guys ES. Something like this. Like something like this. Like, why did NQ come literally 1, 2? We spent like 10 minutes below our stop loss, and NQ. We should try macro after people got stopped there and eventually traded long like a rookie, but won. I mean, can we tell what the name of the new open gap option? It's regular trading hours. Regular trading hours gap. Tape reading was better. We can tape read if you guys want. Why is Trump talking so? What can you try to trade pre-market range? I don't really like trading the pre-market range, but you're basically your go-to would probably just be the ICT 2022 model. Look at 830 and see if we take out buy side or sell side, and then look for a move opposite. It's usually what happens. When short at macro IFEG, you shorted this at 1024, bro? Wait, now I'm tripping, said macro. Oh, you shorted here 953. No, today was a no trade day. Today I'm just gonna grind, bro. Yo, let me ask you guys something. What ICT model does your setup come from? I kind of made it myself, bro. Just learned all the information and did it myself. Let me ask you guys something now. Hold on, let me think. See if I remember correctly. Why is today a no trade day? All right, it's time. How do you spell tomorrow? Yeah, it looks weird in capitals. Right, hopefully, this answers all the questions. This happens every time. Same month. What time frame do you use for New York Open? 1 minute. Almost caught that whole move up, but my entry didn't present itself. Yeah, there was really no entry. I don't disagree. Can you change back that date to April 2022? We can do that together in the gem, Sarvan. What's with Ethereum right now? What's happening? My advice to you guys is don't go back. Don't go back and look at price action and be like, okay, where could I have gotten in? Like if you don't want to trade every day. Trust me, you do not want to look for a trade every day. You don't want to take a trade every day. You're just going to lose more. How do you confirm your daily bias? CISD from a level I'm expecting to be rejected. We can do April together, Sarvan and Gems. Wait, Zella emailed me. Yeah, good guys, bro. I'm gonna share with you Sarvan right now. You trade order blocks? That's your model? No, I don't actually trade the order block. I mean, sometimes. It's just a confirmation for reversal for me. It depends. If I'm looking for reversal, I need to see a breaker or an order block. If I'm looking for a continuation, just need an inversion. Yo, is it wrong to trade 2 micros today? It's not wrong. It depends on your model, bro. Your strategy. You think it will get past yesterday's high? Like I said, intuition. The intuition in me tells me eventually. I think this can reverse. This could potentially be the low. But if I'm being honest, like if we want to be strict and high probability trades, I mean, yeah, I like previous days highs and objective, but truth be told, we're still bearish on the daily time frame. So we're just either consolidating or bearish. There hasn't been any sign of bullish, like bullish order flow on the daily chart. So better safe than sorry. But if you're asking like my personal opinion, just intuition wise, I low-key think that this is a low of the month. It's possible. Hasn't been confirmed. I wouldn't trade with that idea. Just a soft little thing telling me that I feel like this could be low of the month. So we'll see. How old are you? I'm 22, brother. I think we'll go there because they got stacked highs. I think if you might go down to bone lows. Possible scenario, for sure possible. This just got really slow. Like if anyone's in a trade right now. Oh, this candle's printing slow. Where can I find your model? It's all on YouTube. I'm gonna work on the next PDF. Can you tell me what is the name of the new open gap option? My entire model's on YouTube, guys. For free on YouTube. I also have a book in my Discord server, which is my model. The person asking about the opening range gap, look at my cursor. Look at my cursor, okay? Right here. Sorry, let me remove this. Right here. See how it says electronic trading hours? Change it to regular trading hours. Okay? Once you change it to regular trading hours, you will see this gap. Opening range gap. Every day, if you want to use this in your trading, mark out the quadrants of the gap. $25, $50, $75, $100. You go back to electronic trading hours, and yeah, you're good. I'm gonna trade. What's your trading checklist? My entire checklist is on my YouTube. I have 4 setups, each with 4 criteria. Pretty simple. First 2 criteria are like the easiest. It's very simple. My model's very, very simple. Very, very simple. What if I scalp every time I hit the FEG, I buy and sell immediately and in profit? I mean, I've never backtested that, but I don't know. I don't know if your risk reward will be good enough. You also have to keep in mind spread and commissions, so I'm gonna trade right now. Shit's slow as fuck. Yeah. Yes. You trade today? Nah. You know me, Wayne, Jerry. You know me. Are you more mechanical based trader or more discretion based? Probably like more like, I don't think the word's discretion, but like I don't think I'm too mechanical. I do leave a lot of it up to me in the moment, just trusting my intuition and skill. But I do have set criteria for me to take any trade. So the criteria is there. It's just up to me. One trial does improve a system. I'm in long. Should I close? Personally, I would. But it's up to you. I don't want you to close it and then come back and complain. Like, Gatie, it kept going higher. I'm just saying I would personally. What is it to short on open and long to produce stay high? Yeah, I guess. Weird market. What pair is this? This is NASDAQ. Dots on gold. So beautiful. Please repeat how to find the opening range gap. Man, PXH model? No idea what that is. Alright, look at my cursor. Oops. Look at my cursor. Look at my cursor. ETH, bottom right corner. Switch it to RTH, regular trading hours. When you do this, you will see the opening range gap left between previous day settlements and today's opening price. This is your opening range gap. Take your Fibonacci, 0, 25, 50, 75, 100. Pretend it's a big, treat it like a big ass fair value gap. That's literally it. That's all you gotta do. US 30 printed a lot better, yeah. It really did today. Cleaner, easier, I'd say, easier. I also think it's better. What coins do you trade? None. If it stays bullish, we should respect this fair value gap. Yes, NFP tomorrow. What did I tell you? I don't know what you said or who you are, brother. Do you do anything besides trading? Yeah, a sports bet for fun. Spend time with my girlfriend. I like watching basketball. I like back testing. I guess that counts as trading. Do full-time trading? I mean, I do it every day, but I don't make full-time income. What's the parlay looking like today? Bro, all I'm gonna say is 3-day win streak, cashing in the third quarter, doing plus 100s. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. Yes, gas. You caught these longs? Nice, bro. Your YouTube link? It's GatieTrades. I'm GatieTrades on every social media. The next video I'm gonna post, this is probably one of the most requested ones in a while. And there's some more. There are some that's more highly requested, but oh shoot, where did I put my checklist? Oh, here. The next video is gonna be about liquidity. It's gonna talk about what is liquidity, how to identify it, types of liquidity, liquidity sweeps, and liquidity runs. So, low resistance versus high resistance liquidity. How do you know it no farm? You got to look at the economic calendar. So, go to Google, search up forexfactory.com, go to filters, remove everything except USD, unless you're trading the pairs, apply filter, come down to Friday, you see non-farm employment change. I don't know why they changed it to employment change. It's non-farm payroll. Same thing though. I took this long, made $2,400 on my Express and $850 on my Combine. Well done, bro. So we full port that as well. Don't full port, nah. But low-key, I like doing a ladder challenge. You like to equal lows? I don't like to equal highs from yesterday. Look at this double equal high, double equal low situation going on, man. So remember, we said if we're bullish, we should respect this fair value gap. No farm payroll. I said no farm payroll. Yes, you found rejection. SMT rally FD is target. Easiest longs in my life. Why are you not backtesting again? Honestly, bro, I feel like I was just doing it alone. No one was really paying attention, so I just stopped. I might as well just go backtesting gems. Everyone loves it when I'm backtesting gems. Took this long, made 2,400 on my Express. We can do one more. We can do one more backtest. Do another one. Alright, I look for lower. We already traded lower. Dang. This looks like a seek and destroy day. We'd probably look for a range model. So let's see. Damn. All of a sudden we put an insane range. Damn. What the hell is this? Bro, I swear Mondays, back in the day, bro, Mondays should be no trade days. Nowadays, I have a public Discord. It's free. There's 16,000 people. If you want to join, would be much appreciated. What is this price action, bro? So this is first presentation. If we get an inversion here, maybe we can go long. No inversion. We took out 930 low. Maybe we can scan for reversal. I'll probably buy this. SL. I want to see if ES takes 930 low. It's a pretty, I mean, I know I did say seek and destroy. It's actually printed not bad. Pretty crazy Monday. It was Monday, September 30th. I mean, yeah, looks like we might have had the right bias. Try another one here. Something like this on that inversion. Another SL. Yeah, not 2 lots on this backtest day. Backtest and NFP day? Okay, we can, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Let's skip to an NFP day. It's actually this month right here. What's up, Koala? Koala, do some backtesting, bro. Your Discord free, bro. I'm trying to watch the backtesting. I don't backtest in Discord that much. Pretty rare. We could do another event though. That last one was fun. Do you have a puppet? Yeah, it's in there. Buy London High. No. Maybe we. Oh, buy towards London High. I mean, yeah, that was kind of the play for today. You can see how that helped. All right, we'll backtest one NFP day, and then we'll call it quits. Maybe we can look now for short price and OTE. You think this is all going to reverse? I don't know if this is going to reverse personally. Maybe consolidate. Yeah, I'm down to backtest, bro. What time you thinking, Koala? Okay, it's Friday. Looks like we have a low of week. Probably coming for Tuesday's high. And if we get more expansion, high here, high there, and high there. No trade day for me. I don't trade this day. So, bullish buys. Love the backtesting and the NFP day idea. Let's do it. Let's just make sure this is NFP. It very well should be. Whoops. Non-farm payroll. All right, non-farm payroll. So we're bullish, and we have a bullish NFP candle. I want to see retracement into that NFP candle. And see if we can get along, right? Sometimes it can be delayed to like what's it called? It can be delayed. So we can actually watch the candle print here if we use the 10-second time frame. So here we are touching the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Let's push an early long. Let's see if we inverse that 2-minute. I don't want to. This could actually be a short idea and then a long idea after. So we can, I'll show you guys, I think this plays out here. We can short this into this range. Let's call it 50%. Oh, it didn't inverse. Wait, we got faked out by TradeZella, bro. I thought that candle closed. It did not close. Never mind. No trade. Just need to see retracement longs because we are bullish. We actually got faked out, man. So it's 9:45, so still no macro, no 10 a.m. Bro, I'm gonna be honest, because of you, I've lost around 6%. Unlucky, bro. I don't know how that's possible. We literally are on a really good win streak right now. Why today is no trade day? Tomorrow's non-farm payroll. But obviously, the fact you're blaming me for losing 6%, bro, is honestly pretty upsetting. It's very, very telling that, no offense, but you're probably never going to be successful in trading unless you can change your mindset. How are you going to blame another man for your losses, bro? Like, just think about that for one moment. And we're literally on a crazy win streak right now, so it doesn't even make sense. You would still short this? I would want that, yeah, but I'm still bullish. I'm just going to wait. All right, so there we are, finally trading into the NFP candle. The fuck you talking about? You made me lose. I don't know, bro. You'd be surprised how many messages I get after stream, and people are like, "Daddy, bro, why would you take that trade, man? It was so obvious." I'm like, bro, are you hurt? Like, what's going on? Why are you messaging me this right now? Like, I know they copy traded and they probably put their savings on it. Then again, when I win, I get a lot of messages, and people are like, "Bro, thank you so much, man. Like, today helped me so much." And I was like, "All right, bro. Enjoy, I guess." So I need to see a CISD if we're gonna get long. So I'm watching this print. This is really aggressive. That's a really weak CISD. But this, if you make him consistently lose, then he should just reverse your trade every time. Yeah, I mean, exactly, I guess. The sad part about like showing, like the sad part about it is, bro, traders who live stream and are transparent get hate when they lose, which makes them not want to be transparent. And then traders who aren't transparent get hate for not being transparent because they don't show their losses. But then they show their losses and then they get hate for it. So like, there's really no win. This is a very risky buy, but it could play out. So what would I do? It's such a risky buy, like straight up, it's so risky. But what you can do on a day like this is take the buy with a very small size, because it means this candle close. No, that candle didn't close. I keep getting faked out by the candle. Yeah, that's not really a CISD, so I'd probably wait. Maybe if we get like an OB here. Yeah, okay. Never mind. Sorry, we got faked out by the candle. I thought it closed. It did not close. Yeah, no model form. You can't do anything correctly. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like the long. I mean, yeah, no, definitely no long there. Man, it looks like we might have just had the wrong bias, but we wouldn't have caught this short anyways. Was that breaker that Toxic sent you valid? It was a bearish breaker. Are you talking about losing it for longs or shorts? If you're talking about using it for longs, then what that is a reclaimed order block. Using it for shorts, it is a breaker, yes. High, low, higher high, lower low. It's a breaker with a fair value gap. Makes sense. But once it gets inversed, it's a bullish order block. Reclaimed bullish order block. So it's all about narrative, right? I've won so much just by backtesting and trade by myself and took what my mentor said. Exactly, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like this long either. This looks pretty dead to me. No, the bearish candle doesn't have to set the low. As long as there is a low there. That's all that matters. Yeah, I don't know if I could look for reversal anymore. This looks pretty done. That's crazy. This was all done in like 20 minutes. Okay, hold up. Wait, we missed our short. I mean, yeah, we could short it like this, I guess. It's not the best trade, but I think it plays out. So this would be a partial. Wait, I thought we took the low. Well, here you actually have to probably break even. This should be a partial because there's SMT. So I only took one contract, so we can't partial. But just know that this is supposed to be a partial, and then let's say you reduce your stop here, and then you keep the trade going. For me, if I see an SMT in my trade, automatic partial, break even, or close. It has to be one or the other. Unless I'm like really bearish, then I'm like, okay, whatever. I think it's gonna hold. See, in this case, what has happened? In this case, let's see if we get a bullish breaker now. It looks pretty mid. But it'll be no more today, probably. Oh, well, we got a clean breaker. Is it going to be a lunch reversal? All right, we can try this. It's SMT at the lows. We got the breaker. We have a clean deviation, clean objective, 930 reversal, NFP day. Came into discount. Worst case, we just take a partial here or something and see if it's let's watch this on the 10-second. All right, so what would I watch here? I want to see if this closes above. It does close above. Bullish order block right there. See if it holds. If we close below here, I'd probably close the trade manual. So I don't want to see a bearish CISD form in my trade. So these two candles so far, right? Supporting price. So far looks pretty good. Could probably reduce the stop here. Can take a partial at that high. So let's say we sell one. So now we are break even and we can see if this trade wants to run. That's the idea. So our stop's protected. So notice we closed on this trade. We closed. How we close 920? 700. No. It's not gonna tell me. Oh, we closed $500 on this trade. So we closed on this trade $500, right? And now my stop loss is $300. So we are guaranteed $200. But notice how I didn't move my stop to break even because I still think this can play out. So I'm gonna see if it wants to come back, or it doesn't have to come back, but if it wants to go higher, and if it does, we look for a nice execution. There's -1 standard deviation. Let's see if we can get -2. So what would I look here for potential objective? Bro, what is this fib? Why is it doing this, man? There you go. It's a lot better. You could look for 50%. So this could be a good partial right here. This could be a good partial. Part of me thinks this whole move is going to reverse. So I don't really want a partial. But we'll see. We can always watch it stay heavy. Like if it, for example, doesn't stay heavy. So like I said, that would be a really good partial. Premium fair value gap. So you could close the trade here. Wait, can I just add one and pretend like I took two? All right, so there. We took a partial here. Stop loss will probably move to like, yeah, I could probably say break even here. I'd probably say here because this is like a mitigation block here, so I don't want to see it take that low. So let's call it something like this. We're accumulating. Yeah, I like the stop where it is. Look how good that partial is, man. Like I'm telling you guys, the amount of times I've said this, look to take profits at 50% of the range. This is 50%. The first fair value gap or swing high in 50%. That's this. Look how precise that is. Because this is premium now. So it's so good. It's just really good. Yeah, we were talking about that, Koala. This is NASDAQ backtest, yeah. So good trade management. Good trade management. You don't want to be the guy that just says, like, you don't want to backtest the guy. You don't want to backtest like this. Some people do bad. They're like, oh, all right, let's see if this plays out. And then they just go break even. And like, all right, let's see. Like, what? Bro, you got to manage it properly, you know? Treat it like it's real. We could even look for a re-entry here. Nah, no re-entry. Watching the candles print is really good, huh? It actually helps with making it harder. What trades today? Probably gonna call it here. I know it's pretty boring when we don't take any trades, but it is what it is. Hey Gaddy, what are you doing? I'm about to hop off, and today's a no trade day for me. I don't like to trade the day before non-farm payroll event. It's usually a pretty sloppy day, so I don't trade today. Even if I did trade today, my model would not have formed anywhere here. So actually, that's not true. It actually might form right now, but even then I wouldn't take it. But hypothetically speaking, if we inverse this, that would meet the criteria for a long for me if I'm bullish. So if this inverses, my trade would look something like this. We can tape read it if you guys want. I would not push the button, but we can tape read this. Something like this. What plan does give you 1 minute candles move? For what? Is tomorrow PM for you, or are you gonna trade? No, I'll be trading AM session. Yes, Bryn. I'm longing here. Yeah, looks not bad. Probably want to see if we close bullish here. How we close here will very determine the move. If we get the CISD, should go higher. Backtest. Oh, trade Zella. No. Today's a no trade day for me, Lori. I don't want to flex or anything, but we're currently up $6 on the funded, so if anyone wants to go out or something, you should let me know. I got on me. You catching a trade? No, I'm just tape reading, not executing. No executions. Really trying to spend it as soon as possible. Hopefully they don't waste my time. Did you catch anything? Nah, I didn't even push the button today. Not really anything clean. Like, I wanted the long here, but they didn't really give an entry anyways, so. I requested $30 from TopStep. They paid you. Okay, buddy. Oh, shit. I said, okay, buddy. And then buddy literally came in the stream and said, yo, what the hell? It's crazy. How we close on the 3 minute here will really dictate whether or not this goes higher. Oops. This plain old price action reading. I have a limit long with the eliminated 5 minute fair value gap below price. Yeah, it's not coming back, bro. Unless we're bearish. You don't want to see it come back if you're bullish. Like this short. I think it goes higher personally, but that's just me. Is this live or backtesting? This is live, but I'm not taking trades. Just tape reading. Full port NFP? Nah. I was up 16K after going green 6 days in a row and blew the account 1 day from payout. What type of rope should I use? That's real, bro. Yeah, that's real. Bring it in, bro. Bring it in. I feel you, bro. Bring it in. I got you, bro. We'll plan on TradeZella if I want to have the 1 minute wick move. How much a month? Okay, TradeZella plans. Everyone keeps asking me. TradeZella plans. I don't know, man. Let's find out together, bro. Because I actually don't. Bro, it won't let me. I can't even go to the TradeZella website because it just signs me in. And then when I sign out, it just tells me to. Man, yo, just paper trades today? Exactly, bro. I mean, I didn't even push the button, but. Alright, TradeZella. If you get the basic monthly plan, you have unlimited back testing. This is what you get. So for $30 a month, with my discount code, 10% off. So I don't know how much that is, but 10% off. You can get a limited trade. You can share your trades, break-even settings, blah, blah. You can do all the journaling. You can do the in-depth reports. You can do 3 playbooks. You can backtest unlimited. You get the dashboard, the indicators, position sizing, multiple time frames. You get seconds. Okay, you do not get seconds data. You do not get second theta, so you have to pay premium. And then with premium, you also get all the trade replay. So with premium, $49 a month. So 50 times 0.1, you get $5 off. So it'll be $45 a month, brother. Actually, $44 a month. Or if you want the yearly, if you pay yearly, it'll be $33 a month, but you have to pay it up front. The code, if you want 10% off, Gatie10 monthly. If you want 20% off, Gatie10 yearly. It's up to you. I personally have the monthly. This is in US dollars. Yes, this is US dollars. Let me know how you get it. And let me know how you like it too. I think I'm supposed to give some feedback on how my community likes it. So let me know. Will you recommend Apex for beginners? No, I would not recommend Apex for beginners. I'd recommend Alpha Futures. No cap. The current Alpha Futures discount that they're running, Alpha Futures discount, what they're running right now is, so 10% off any account size with the code. So 10% off all accounts. That's just the basic promotion. On advanced accounts, yeah, bro, honestly, you're gonna like TradeZella way more, bro. You can journal all your trades. Alpha have trailing, not live trailing, end of day trailing. The current promotion for Alpha is 10% off any account size, any account type. And then for advanced accounts, there's no activation fee. So if you get an advanced account with Alpha Futures, no activation fee right now. The only payout rule for Alpha Futures is 40% consistency. That's the only rule. There's no minimum limit. There's no minimum buffer. There's nothing. Just 40% consistency rule. So you can get payout in 3 days. No activation fee. Advanced accounts, no activation fee. Why is TopStep so cheap in comparison? The rules are a little bit harder to get payout on TopStep. But right now, if you get an advanced account with Alpha Futures, because there's no activation fee, your total amount spent on the account, assuming you pass, will be cheaper. 2K payouts approx each 45 days on Forex 10K accounts. What plan do you recommend? What plan I recommend for you for what? What would I recommend you to scale? Do you trade futures or Forex? What I recommend, no activation fee. No activation fee on the advanced accounts. Standard accounts, all they have is 10% off. What's good, brother? Head and shoulders pattern? For real, bro. Bullish as fuck. But do you want a futures firm plan or do you want a Forex firm plan? 29. See you tomorrow, Sarvan. Oh, shoot, which one? What do you mean, yes, bro? Futures? This is my personal opinion, bro. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm literally gonna do this. So I've given it some thought. In my opinion, this is the best plan. So get one, not two, not three. Get one Alpha Futures account. Pass it and get payout as soon as possible. It's the fastest and easiest payout firm out there right now. There is no other futures firm that you can get payouts easier from than Alpha Futures. They have one rule, 40% consistency. I'll explain what that means. It's literally the easiest rule possible. You can get payout in 3 days. You have the most drawdown as well. They give you more drawdown than any other firm for futures on the 100K and the 150K. On the 50K, it's the same as TopStep. So I would get one account with Alpha Futures. Pass it and get payout as soon as possible. No buffer. Don't go for a big payout. Literally 3 winning days. Just take a payout, bro. Just take it. Do not. And then use that money to get 2 more alpha accounts. Repeat that process. And then do it again. Isn't alpha 2 weeks? Yes, you can only request payout every 2 weeks. But to get eligible for payout is what I meant to say, is the easiest. So as soon as you take your first trade, I mean, yeah, get the advanced account. Right now, advanced is cheaper at 29, so realistically, you should get the advanced. You don't have to pay activation fee on the advanced. So, yeah, so as soon as you take your first trade, no, drawdown does not go to 0 after payout. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I've been trying to say. Drawdown does not get set to 0 after payout. So you can pay yourself after 3 winning trades. 3 winning days, sorry. How much for the advanced? Right now, the advanced is, I think, 130. No activation fee. Discount code is Gatie. Discount code is Gatie. Just my name. I know NAS 100 when I see it. This is NQ, yeah. What strategy when you in the account? I mean, I use my strategy. You use your strategy. Unless you want to learn my strategy, that's okay. So that's my personal plan. Have you tried integrating the DOM into your trading? If not, would you? You in anything? No, but I think it goes higher. I think it goes higher. I think like, bro, this is taking out, bro. If this high doesn't get taken out, bro, I'm gonna be so surprised, bro. You focus price action today? Today's a no trade day for me. I don't trade this day. Wait, drawdown doesn't get set to 0? That's what I'm saying, bro. You can take payout. You can actually pay yourself and not feel like you're gonna blow the account right after. No trade day for me, Samir. No. I'll ask you if you not like. Oh no, I didn't like price action today. No. I target the next high unless we switch on supply. Makes sense. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. So even if you don't like the firm for whatever reason, you might as well. Yeah, the thing about take profit trader though is you have live trailing drawdown. So for me, that's just a no-go. It's always going to be 0, Mayo. As soon as you take payout on Top Step, your max loss is set to 0. And that's it. It's going to be 0 forever. I'm going to have to cop one. That's what I'm saying, bro. Any trades today? No trade day. No trade day to me. No trade day for me. So like, yeah. So, yeah, I mean, straight up. Isn't take profit 50K better? $119 and no activation fee. If you pass, you get pro. I mean, if you're going to get, yeah, daily withdrawals, but you need a buffer. I mean, it all depends. It all depends on how you like. For me, live trailing drawdown is like a no-go. Like, I hate live trailing drawdown. I really don't like it. So it's kind of made for one payout. So the thing with Top Step, Maya, is what you need to do is you need to build a buffer before you take payout. So like you said, once you take payout, your maximum loss gets set to 0, right? So what do you need to do? That means when you take a payout, you need to make sure you still have enough in the account left to trade. So let's say you want to get a $500 payout. Ideally, you get $2,500 in the account in profit, and then you take out $500. That way you still have $2,000 left to work with. I still need to really find a fixed partial system. Trust me, Koala, it changes everything, bro. I think you should look into using mine, but it's up to you. Is only Alpha doing TS? Only Alpha does this, yes. There's no other firm where you can request payout this early. You don't need a buffer. You don't lose your maximum loss limit doesn't get sent. Consistency rule explanation. Okay. I'm going to explain to you guys what a consistency rule is. It's very simple. Okay? The consistency rule states that I'm using alpha futures. I use alpha futures. Use an example with a 50K account. It doesn't matter what the account size. The only thing that matters is your total profit on the account. So you can just get, if you want me to do an example, where did you learn your strategy? I made my strategy myself from the teachings of ICT. He doesn't really teach my strategy, but he gave me all the tools I needed to make it. So, for example, let's say you have an account and you made $2,000 on the account. How do you know if you followed the consistency rule? Your best day cannot be 40% of 2,000. So I don't know what that is. What is that, like $800? So you can't have a single day where you made $800. That's basically saying you made too much in one day in comparison to your total profits. Therefore, you're not consistent. 40% is not hard to stay with at all, bro. Just don't, literally just follow risk management. Like, don't randomly just risk 400 on one day. You'll be fine, you know? 1 to 5 hour limit long. Good luck, bro. Yeah, it really isn't hard. This is the only rule for alpha futures. There's no other rule on taking payout. Just reach 40% consistency. Obviously, you can't do that in one day because that's not enough. You can't do that in 2 days because if you make 500 and 500, that's 50%. So the minimum you can do it is in 3 days. So that's why it takes at least 3 days. It's not because you need 3 winning days or whatever. All you need is to meet 40% consistency. As soon as you meet 40% consistency on alpha, you can request payout. You have to till end of day to make it a winning day. It doesn't have to be a winning day. Or you have till end of day to make it a winning day. I don't understand what you mean. Yeah, you do have, but it doesn't. You have until the end of day to make it a winning day. Yes, that is true, but that doesn't really matter when it comes to consistency rule. Nah, no trades for me. F frame, E frame. Can I pass eval in one day? I'm trying to pass tomorrow because NFP is going to be free. For alpha futures, no, you can only pass in 2 days. Yeah, no. Also, not to mention, the 100K account on Alpha, which is what I'm using, you have 4,000 drawdown. You literally have 1,000 more drawdown to work with. I don't know why TopStep does that. Why does TopStep give you 4% drawdown on the 50K, but then if you go for 100K, it's 3% drawdown? I'm like, what? Don't they want us to go up in size? Why would they decrease drawdown percentage? I don't know. I don't get it, bro. Cool. Cool. Seems like all the questions are slowly fading out. I made 15K on one account today. Nice, bro. That's really good. See you Monday, brother. You not coming tomorrow? Tomorrow should be good. Hopefully, we have a nice, clean non-farm payroll delivery. Boom, 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 boom. Cool. Seems like all the questions have faded out. So we're probably gonna end the stream here. I appreciate everyone coming through. I will be live again tomorrow. Dude, imagine if FTMO dropped futures. They better drop some nice ass rules, bro. But yeah, that'd be cool. If I can get a payout on my 3x FAs on top side, do you think I should get 2 more 50Ks or invest in 150Ks? If you're doing top step, I would do the 50Ks. I would just do the 50Ks. Eventually, if you keep winning, you can get put into live, and then just do that, bro. take, to be honest, and then do the 150Ks. That's just me. Just what's your risk management for 50Ks? On evals, I'm gonna start risking 1%. On funded, 0.25. Would you get your background at sick? Gatekeep this background. Gatekeep this background. You should see my other background. How can I show my other background? My other monitor's background. I'm too scared to put 1%. 1% is scary. I ain't gonna lie to you. I also agree. I've never actually ever done 1%, but I came to the realization that I don't want to be on an evaluation for like 1 month or 2 months. I want to be done within 1 or 2 weeks. And the only way to do that is to risk higher, you know? I don't want to be stuck on an evaluation because you know what happens, Glow? Let me tell you what happens. Every time when I'm on eval, this happens. Except most recently on Top Step. But this is what happens every time. I follow my risk management plan and I get closer and closer to passing, and then the rebill is about to come. And I just end up full porting it anyways. I might as well just up the risk from the beginning. And what you need to do, in my opinion, is just up the risk from the beginning for the evaluation phase and just only look for the best setups. You can't take every setup and risk 1%. You're probably going to blow the account. You really do have to wait for a really good, clean setup and then just risk higher on it and hopefully it plays out. And if not, well, you have 3 more tries. So. But I agree, 1%, it's not comfortable to lose 1%. You just kind of have to remember that, you know what, it's an evaluation phase. If I lose it, I lose it. Obviously, it also depends how much money you have to spend on evaluation, right? If you can only afford 1 or 2 per month, then maybe don't risk 1%, right? Maybe try to pass it in 1 month time. For me personally right now, I'm kind of more looking to pass or fail within the like 1 or 2 weeks, right? I can kind of afford to get multiple and keep trying, so I'm okay with that. How much do you profit an average month through the strategy? Approximately $24 million a week. Do you use 1 minute time frame or the 5 minute when entering? For the most part, it's 1 minute. Last time I tried to trade the pairs on TradeZella, it wouldn't let me. It should let you. I recently did a Forex backtest. I'm usually on the 1 minute, but if the 1 minute does not look clean, I'll scan the 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, and 5 minute. I'm okay with anything on the 1 to 5. 24 only? Yeah, it's a slow month for me. Slow month for me, but it is what it is. Should be enough to pay my expenses. If anyone wants to help out, let me know. I gotta send an email to TradeZella. How's our AMD doing? Let me see a green, bro. I have 2 fundeds right now. 24 millions. I was joking, bro. That was a joke. How much do I make per month? It's really hard to answer, bro. It's not consistent for me with prop firms. It depends on the month, depends how I'm trading. Can you show how to trade ES and NQ on TradeZella backtest? Yeah, do you have an account yet or no? Cool. Did you get 10% off? So this is what you do. Go to backtest. Do you have it set up or no? So let's say you set it up here. MNQ MES. NQ on the left chart. Layout 2. NQ ES on the left chart. And then if you go to layouts, you can sync the interval and crosshair. So that way, whatever you see on the left, you'll see on the right. And you can see how it matches, right? Turtle soup. Yes, sir. Damn, we really got that break even. Anyways, So it's slashing to look harder. I mean, message me on Discord if you can't figure it out. To be honest, I'm not really sure what you're asking. I don't know if that answers your question, but let me know. Damn, bro. W backtest. Do trades that have seconds chart because FX replay don't? Yes, there is seconds chart. How long you been trading for? How long have I trading ICT? Or just my entire journey from the beginning? Both. I started trading ICT last year, November. So 2023, November. That's when I started learning ICT. I started trading, I think, in August 2023. I started trading support and resistance. A double pair something you anticipate or predict happening or react to. You can try to anticipate it, but for me, I just react. For me, it's a confluence, so it's either there or not. It's like SMT. Like you can predict SMT, but just kind of just wait for it to see if it forms. If it does, then it's a confluence. For me, it just makes my power of 3 stronger. That's all. If double purge forms in the direction of my PO3, it's a very good confluence. What's your strategy? I trade power of 3. 930 power of 3 and daily power of 3. Bro, I started trading with fucking buy and sell indicators. Ah, damn, bro. Shit. Come on, bro. Tough. Crazy that people think that that thing works, bro. Bro, if that thing works, what the hell, man? People will be freaking billionaires. Just watch TGR Bootcamp, then watch ICT 2022. Now, what should I watch next? Do you have a model that you're comfortable with yet, or not really? Because if so, then you don't need to watch anymore. Did you finish ICT 2022? You should finish ICT 2022, and then after that, see if you have a model that you're happy with. You trade 9 to 4? Hell no. I usually stop at 11. That's too many hours on the chart for me. If I stayed in front of the charts that long, I would definitely start getting agitated and probably doing dumb stuff. There's no way I could stay on the charts for that long. Bye, Daddy Trade. See ya, bro. Appreciate the roses, man. You guys don't have to give roses, bro. Here, I'm literally only going live, so my entire journey is documented. Real? That's what I'm saying, bro. People, oh man, every day someone's like, "Yo, Gad, you trading PM? You trading PM?" Bro, I just stood in front of the charts for 2.5 hours, bro. PM? No, man. I'm going to the gym, bro. I'm going to the gym. I'm taking a nap. I'm do anything. I'll watch a movie. I don't want to watch the charts for another 3 hours. Like, I can watch the charts for 2 hours, lose, and be okay. If I stay in front of the charts from 9 to 4 and I lose, you know how demoralizing that is? Like, I just spent 8 hours in front of the charts and I'm negative on the day. Hell no, man. I am not okay with that. I will be so agitated spending 8 hours in front of the charts and ending in loss. I will literally feel like I wasted my entire day and time. What you finna eat for iftar? Probably some soup and stuff, bro. Some dates, soup, and then like whatever. This guy's funny, bro. This guy said, "What you finna eat for iftar?" This guy like, "What's your strategy to pass a profit challenge or any tips?" First, profitable model. Profitable model, and then good risk management. You need some sort of risk management system to help you pass. You don't need to pass every eval. You just need to pass a couple. When does New York PM start? It's from 13:30 or 1:30 p.m. Eastern time. It ends at 4:15. Nobody finna fast all day to drink soup. No, like that's just like the appetizer, bro. The appetizer. All right, I feel like that covers all the questions. Before. I do before. FTF just happened. I gotta see. God candle? How big is it? I better see something significant, bro. Yeah, that's pretty significant. Yeah, clean 30-minute. This is a market structure shift right here, yes. I was like 5 seconds. Oh, I think Trump's speaking. Right? Trump's speaking now? Oh no, that's later. Oh wait. It says tentative. This guy's probably speaking, bro. This guy's always talking, man. Always yapping about something. Always. All I know is AMD stock. Gold Forex, please. That's my cue to hop off. That's what I'm saying. I appreciate everyone coming through. Yesterday I said I was going to end stream at 11. I didn't. But I will see you guys live tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Tomorrow's non-farm payroll. So if you want to watch me execute my protocol for non-farm payroll, I will be doing that tomorrow. Break-even week on the funded. We haven't taken a trade. So we'll see if we can end the week in profit or break even or negative. It doesn't matter. But hopefully tomorrow we follow our rules, take a trade if it forms. And we'll see if we end in profit on the funded for the week. That'd be pretty cool. First winning week on a funded in a while. So we'll see. We'll see. Alpha has instant funding. That's Alpha Capital Group, not Alpha Futures. The firm we're talking about is Alpha Futures. If you want the discount code and no activation fee. No tariffs on Mexico for USMCA goods. Man, these tariffs, man. This thing is this needs to end. Like this needs to end. I don't like it. I don't like it. I want it to end. I feel like the market is very volatile, very unpredictable. I genuinely feel like at any moment we can just see an insane price run in either direction, and I don't like that. I don't like that personally. I want to see some more organization. Anyways, I'm going to head out. I appreciate everyone coming through. If you're not in the free Discord, there's like 15,000 people in there. If you want to come through, there's a lot of resources for you. I will see you guys live tomorrow. Oh, for 11:30 spike, he said that? Yeah. That makes sense. Yeah, that's probably what it was. Similar thing happened last time. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace. If you have any questions, just message me in the Discord.